Hey guys, we're gonna be starting in like 15 seconds. I'm just trying to prepare something visually. I hope everybody's doing good. This isn't gonna be a super often occurrence. I'm not gonna be streaming a ton because I can't, unfortunately. But hold on, let me pull up chat now and see what's going on. How's everybody doing? All right, I think it's time to take this off. There we go. Boom. I see people now. You guys should be able to see me now. Hello. Ultra Ultimate Gamer. Godot Kid. Guys, what's up? Callum. Llamadev. Unnamed 0. Chubby. More 14. Guys, what's going on? If you're here, type in the chat. It should be a little bit better. I'm on low latency now. Yesterday, or what was that, 2 days ago? I don't know. Last time we streamed. Oh, stream died? That sucks. I don't know what's going on. Hold on. Oh, I turned off my hotspot. Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. We good now? We should be good now. Okay, we're good now. We're good. Let me just plug in my phone so that it doesn't die. I'm coming, guys. I don't really know. Okay, hold up. Can we see some code? I will try. I'm trying to fix this hotspot issue. I don't know what's going on. I really don't. It says that I have hotspot on now. Oh, you know what it is? I just updated my phone to what is it? I don't know, Android 11 or whatever it's called. You guys want to see some code? I'll show you like 2 seconds of code. I don't want to spoil the game though. We're a lot ahead from what you guys know from the devlogs. So yeah. But I don't know, maybe I can't close my phone, or maybe it's because I'm on battery saver mode. I don't know, but I'll try to keep my phone open so that it doesn't disconnect. I guess. This is hell. I need to change something. I'm not gonna do this. Hold on. How's everybody doing today? Let me read the chat now. Now that I fixed my streaming stuff. We're just gonna be doing some quick. How's it going, man? It's going well. I'm pretty excited because what's coming up soon? The Ludum Dare is coming up soon. Guys, you gotta take part. It'll be fun, you know. I'm actually calling my companion in crime for the jam. We're gonna call today to discuss what we're doing for the jam, how we're sharing files and stuff. So it's gonna be fun. I'm excited to do another collaboration. Oh, did my thing die again? Nope, we're still on hotspot. Okay. Okay, cool, good. So I guess I can shut off my phone now. Okay, that was stressful. That was really stressful, guys. All right. Let's see. You guys have any questions for me? You can ask me questions during the stream. It's blurry AF. Is it? Hold on. Can you guys let me know? Who do be your companion? My companion? I don't know. I want to keep it as a surprise. You guys definitely know this person, and it's definitely a guy. That's all I'm giving you though. Just because just in case things don't end up happening, I don't want like any bad blood, like not bad blood, but like I don't want to get people excited for something that doesn't end up happening, just in case, you know. You always gotta be a little bit skeptical. So what I want to do today, again, as I said, I can't stream super often. Hey Ben, I haven't talked to you in a long time. What's up, man? Applebee's. Hey, dude guy. Sorry, I think I'm missing people. My bad, guys. Dragono. Hey, man. It's not any of those. I worked with Ollie on the last devlog, or not the last devlog, the game jam. So I want to keep it new and swap it up. It's not Ben Bonk though, and it's not Yannick. But you guys definitely know him. I'm not telling you though. You'll see. Just watch my video. I'm gonna try to get it out ASAP. I'm gonna try. I think that the thing is like from, what is it? It's from like October 2nd to the 5th or something like that. And I want this devlog out either on the 5th or on the 6th. Like I want to be hauling ass like 16 hours every day during the jam so that I can have a finished game and a finished video at the same time. I gotta make it happen, you know? It's gonna be crunch time, but it's okay. So what I want to do today, just another really chill thing. We're getting back into streaming, so I don't want to do anything crazy. So we're just going to be doing more fusions. So we're going to do a fusion for this guy, which he already has one. I actually really like this one. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I really like the color palette on this one. Just those subtle changes, like the more furry. It looks like more of like an elder version of the creature. Same with this one. I really like this new design here because I turned it from like a rock thing to like steel, and it's more like cyber now. It's gonna be a cyber type. But yeah. Okay, hold on. Chat. It is Ben Bonk. No, I'm not working with Ben Bonk. Oh yeah, congrats on the sponsorship, dude. I saw that. I didn't get to finish the video because I think you just uploaded it, and I was preparing for doing this streaming. But I'll definitely watch it after. I miss talking to you guys a lot. Okay, let's get started with this one. Yesterday, we finished this other thing, right? Hold on, where is it? This thing. We finished a couple of them, but this one was my favorite for sure. Hold on. Get him out of here. This was my favorite for sure from yesterday. I really like it. You guys helped me out a lot there. So also, guys, I have to make sure that I am keeping an eye on how much data I'm using. So yeah, I'm just gonna pull up my thing so that I can make sure that I'm not going over my data limit or something. I still want to have data for the Ludum Dare, just in case I want to stream that. So, but we're good. We should be good for like an hour and a half stream, I think. Do you have a girlfriend? Dude, I make games. I make games for a living, so no, I don't. I actually, this is like the first time in my life that I'm like really trying hard not to get back into a relationship because I'm trying to find myself, you know. I had so many issues, like so many confidence issues. I was in a relationship all of high school. Hold on, my freezer's open. I don't know why. Guys, I definitely have a ghost in my house. Just saying. It's so scary. I should show you guys around. Hold on, maybe I will. You're good at pixel art. Thanks, dude. I appreciate that. But no, I really am trying to figure out myself. And it's been good. I love myself now, you know? Like I never really knew who I was. Until yeah. If you guys watch my one of my recent videos, the 4 years of development or whatever, I explained yesterday was a shithole, and it was, yeah, my life was not good. And then I had to make the call. I dropped out of college. I broke up with my girlfriend. I moved back home. It was a mess. It was a mess. But life's good now. Life's good. Imagine streaming. Huh? What? I am streaming. Imagine streaming on data. Yeah, the things I do for you guys. Luke, hold on. What's Luke saying? This game looks super cool so far. I'm excited to see and play the end result. Thank you, man. Me too. Me too, guys. We're starting to work on. Okay, I don't like this. Hold on. I just start with like messing around colors, and then I'll add to the fusion after. But you know me. I don't do a lot of work on stream. It's very distracting. I swear I have ADHD, like 100%. I've never been tested, but 100%. I can't keep focus. Oh yeah, you guys wanted to see some code, right? Here, look. This is the biggest file in the entire game. We go to battles, code, the battle manager. This shit is crazy. Okay, yo, look at this step event. This isn't even the updated version. This is from like a couple weeks ago, but this is the step event, right? Obviously, I know my code isn't exactly completely optimized. I'm trying to work on that, but yeah, this is a pretty big object, you know? So look at this, okay? Trying to do all the stat nonsense, and it can get very, very, very complex and annoying. But yeah, so anyway, life was a shithole last year, but I said, you know what, 2020, no matter what, it's gonna be a happy year, and it's a happy year for me. So anyway, that's enough of the code. I don't want to get into too much detail of this. You guys can't even, you can't see anything. If I play the game right now, you guys will see so much stuff that you're not supposed to see, and then I'll get in trouble by everybody else on the team. I'll get in trouble, so I'm not going to do that. Hold on, let me read chat. Nova and Reece ship. Yeah. Yo, Luke's been around for a long time, and this guy's had my back since not the beginning, but for a while. I appreciate you, Luke. Okay, guys, I don't know what to do with this. Can you give me some suggestions, please? I like this one a lot. Sounds pretty cool. I don't know what we're gonna do here. Hold on, let me see. Why no router? I do have a router. It just, I live in the boonies. I live in the like northern Ontario. So my Wi-Fi is shit. So I have to stream off of my data. Hold on. I see a question here. Will you be my boyfriend? Dude, I just explained this. I'm trying to find myself, you know? I already found myself. It's been a good year. But no, I am not getting back into a relationship for a while. I want to have some time to myself. So no, I'm sorry, Chubby. Also, I feel like 95% of my audience is guys, and unfortunately, I didn't go down that path. So, all right, okay, let me read one more thing, and then I'm gonna try to focus on this and stop asking me questions about relationship. Manisha says, "What's it like working with your brother? My sister and I have our ups and downs." Okay, I actually really like this. I really like this. I saw that she mentioned brother, and I was like, oh, this is gonna be a good question. Yeah, okay, so let's talk about that. My brother and I get along pretty well, I would say. Any sibling relationship, you're gonna have your ups and downs for sure. But I think for the most part, we're pretty good. I am just finding that I need to tone down, kind of like, I need to treat him more like a colleague And also, he's been doing a lot of coding for the past couple months or whatever. Or, I guess, technically a couple years because of his degree. But he hasn't done any kind of game design stuff. And so, I find myself sometimes kind of treating as if, like, he doesn't know what he's doing. And I have to kind of, like, I'll try to, like, lead or something. And I just... it gets annoying, and I'm sure it gets annoying for him. So it's a little bit hard because you're always going to be agreeing on different, or like thinking about different things. Guys, I don't know what I'm saying right now. I don't know. Anyway, it's fun. Overall, it's fun. We haven't killed each other yet, and honestly, we've been thinking of game ideas since I was like 6 years old. He's 5 years older than me, so yeah, we're relatively in the same kind of wavelength as far as life goes, but it's just a little bit of adjusting, I guess, to this new thing, which is working together. Where's the OnlyFans? Oh man, dude, yo, maybe one day, but we'll see. I stopped working out ever since I got up here, so maybe I gotta get back in shape first, you know. Quality content, yes, thanks, dude. I'm sure you're joking, but okay, I don't know what to do with this. Hold on, I know I want to take away his eyes. I think I want to keep him as a rock thing. I think this is just gonna be a simple recolor type situation. Okay. I think I caught up on most of the questions. I think. Working out 8 for gamers. Dude, it's so hard. It's always just a constant balance for me. I do a lot of calisthenics and I do a lot of flipping and stuff. However, as soon as I started going hard into doing game development a lot, I still have like a proper physique, I think, but man, the things I used to be able to do and the things I can do now is a little bit different. So yeah, it's unfortunate, but I'm sure like it's always ups and downs. Like you're super invested in one thing, and then that kind of gets annoying, so then you start going to something else. It always happens, so I'm not worried. I just need to make sure that I keep it up, that I keep up my physique, because I don't really care to be somebody that's like, yo, I was really fit. Like, no, I want to be fit. I want to be in proper shape, and I want to be, anyway, I don't want to be somebody that, I don't know, thinks about the past all the time. Like, nah, man, I want to do good shit all the time. Maybe I'm crazy. Okay, I don't know what this is, but I'm just playing around. I don't know. I kind of like this. This is looking so good. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. I haven't really done anything, but I've been a slob since quarantine. I feel like, yeah, probably a lot of people. Charcat says hello. Hey, man. Or girl. How are you? Is your channel name your actual name, or is it a code name? No, this is my actual name. I try to keep things as real as possible. I live in Canada. I don't know what other personal things say about myself. Anyway. Okay, I think we're just gonna leave it like this. I don't really know what to do. The only problem is this is the same kind of nonsense that we did yesterday. The color palette is very similar to the dinosaur guy that we did yesterday, which is fine. Again, there's gonna be, if there's 150 monsters in this game, give or take, and everybody has between like 1 and 3 different alternate visuals, there's gonna be a lot of the same color palette nonsense going on, and some of them will be very simple like this, just very Very easy to do, just recolors. I hope you guys don't mind. I like doing these on stream because then I can just have something going on in the background while I talk to you guys. That's kind of what I want to do for streaming from here on out, to be honest. I'm not huge into trying to do some super complex crap during my streams. I like these little highlights, but I don't want people to mistake it for eyes. That's my one issue with doing that. But I think this is okay. We'll keep it like that. Let's just see. Nope, that's too uniform. Let's do that, and let's just add some highlights in here as well. So yeah, guys, just ask me a ton of questions. I love streaming so much because I just get to talk to people. It sounds pretty bad, but it's like, it's just nice being able to actually talk to people because I ramble a lot. So it's like, I finally have that ability to do that and not feel like a weirdo talking to myself, even though technically I am still. It's life. It's life. Whatever. I'll keep it like that. I think this is a nice job well done here. Okay. Wait. I don't know. I'm very torn on what to do with this position of this highlight. I think I'm going to keep it like that, and we'll just add a little high. Oh, never mind. Okay, we're done. This is done. Okay, what do we want to do for this guy? Somebody give me a type. Guys, ping my name and give me a type of the 6 types. If you don't know all the types, then you haven't watched the devlogs, so. I'm such an asshole sometimes. I'm sorry. 150 monsters is a lot of monsters. 150 is a lot. 150 is still lower than my IQ. JK. Okay. That's nice. Good for you, man. 150 monsters is a lot. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I hope that's good. Because the thing is it's we don't have evolution, right? So this is 150 unique designs, not 50 plus random baby forms. Again, I'm not bashing Pokemon. I love Pokemon, but it's different, you know? Poison's not a type, but I appreciate the Cyber, Mystic. What are people saying? Poison. So Cyber, Mystic, or Nature. And then I see Plasma. So Plasma, I guess, technically would be Cyber. So I guess we're doing Cyber, guys. Good morning to the US. Yes. So it's kind of afternoon now, right? Because it's 11:30. So I guess it's morning for some people. But yes, good morning to everybody. And good afternoon to everybody across the world. Okay, how do we make this thing cyber? I think what we could do... So again, first we're going to start off with a color palette. So guys, shout me out some colors, and I may or may not take your suggestions, but we're going to swap the color palette a little bit. And then I want to do some changes. So I think what I want to do for this is maybe add some rings. Maybe add some rings to his legs or horns or something. Or potentially get rid of his horns altogether. I think I'm just going to do that right off the bat. I think I want to do something different here and just get rid of this altogether. And again, you know, you might not like every fusion, but that's not the point. If you like one fusion, well, realistically, you're going to have a team of four monsters at a time, right? So if you dislike 90% of what I do, you still might end up with something you like, you know? Whoa, man. Why is my house so scary? Okay, we're seeing a lot of cyan and gray. Is that cyber though? I guess so. Because it's like, yeah, we can make him metal. Okay, so we can change him into being metal. I don't want, I try to keep a few like a few different themes for every type. So like nature, technically you could do like stuff to do with plants, obviously. But you can also do things with, as the other guy was saying, like poison type. It would also kind of be like doing ground type. So you'd have like mud and different things like that. Water, you can do like water, ice. Actually, yeah, water's kind of plain. But even like a sand type theme, like a beach party theme, could technically be water as well. Anyway, I try not to keep things super uniform. Like, okay, he's cyber type, so he's got to be metallic. But I do like the idea, so we'll go with it. So yeah, cyan and gray. Thank you for the votes, guys. He says crimson red, but yeah, we got a lot of votes towards blue and gray. So we're gonna start out with that, and we'll see what happens. Oh wait, that looks super ugly right now. Don't worry, we'll fix this. This looks so dumb. Okay, wait, hold on. Wait. Yo, look at that. Okay, let's get rid of that. Okay, let's color swap first, and then we'll fix it. Okay, sounds good. It's the darkest color. I think that's the darkest color. Is this technically considered cyan? You guys can be the judge of that. This looks very icy. But I mean, again, everything doesn't need to be super uniform. Somebody ping me. Hold on, let me read. Rome wasn't built in one day. It was built in one day and 1 nanosecond. I guess so. Imagine if somebody actually built a city in one day. Maybe we should do that. Maybe that's a video idea. Like recreating like the USA or something. I don't know. Or like New York or something. Some specific place, Paris. Something like that. Oh, stream's dying again. No. Did I get disconnected again? Oh no. We just had a few drop frames. Sorry guys. What's your pixel art software? Sprite. I use Sprite. Hold on, let me get back to actually making this creature. Okay. Okay, guys. What have you guys been up to today? God, I don't like this. I don't like this much. Oh, whoops. I guess that's better. I think that's better. And then let's do some weird stuff with this. Stream dying again, or is it just me? Yeah, it keeps dropping frames. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. It happens. Mr. Sir Game. Hey, man, what's up? How you doing? You might not be on here forever, but... So I'm going to start with potentially splitting up his body. Potentially. And... yeah, because we want to do the rings, right? I don't know if that's a good idea, but we'll see. Might look okay. You should make the head a turret. Maybe I should. That would be kind of cool. I don't know how to do that, though. How would I do that? Like, just add, like, a thing on top here. And then... I guess I could. This... yeah, I'm probably not going to finish it. I'll probably just get a base idea of what we have in mind and fix it up later on. We'll see. Actually, hold on. Go back. I want to actually draw inspiration from a creature I don't think you guys have seen. You know what's funny? I'm not even looking at my screen. This might be easier for me. If I just don't look at my screen, I look at OBS. I don't know why. But then I'm not looking at you guys. I don't know. Anyway, hold on. Okay, let's go to where all my files are. And then, guys, can you load up some questions? If you have any questions, just ask them. Just ping me in the chat and ask me some questions, and we will get some conversations going. Hold on. What thing is it? Not this guy. Number 21? Nope. Spoilers. We're just gonna keep guessing until we get it. You guys can see some more monsters, I guess. Oh no! It's my favorite guy ever. Okay, where is it? Oh. There we go. This guy. Okay. So I created this little metallic ball thing, right? But if we just grab that and boom, put it over here somewhere. Fix it up. Ooh, I see a lot of questions. Whoa, I wasn't expecting that. Oh, I love you guys. I'll answer them in a sec. Okay, so yeah, we want to incorporate this somewhere. We gotta change colors to match. And then I don't really know what to do with this. And if I try to rotate it, it probably won't look. No. What the hell is that? Okay. So no, let's keep it traditional. Guys, what do we want to do with this? Do I just plop this in the center here? And then maybe slightly turn it? Oof, that's a lot of questions. Leave it floating like that? You like it floating better? Yeah, I could. Actually, I think that might be better. If we just level up this base here. Oh my god, is that my eraser? What is that? Oh, blur. Okay, hold up. This might be cool. What if we make it actually dip? What if we make it dip down? And create, it's kind of like, it doesn't really have a main base anymore. It's just like a thing. Right? Could be cool. Let's see. Let's position it properly. I don't know. I kind of like this. Guys, I kind of like this. Add a shadow below it to give the illusion of it floating. The this thing? Yeah, I could do that. Okay, I'll do that. Well, do you mean like an actual shadow like down here? Because I don't know if I would want to do something like that. Like, do you mean an actual shadow down here? Or do you just mean like a shadow on here? Because that's two very different things. I think he means something like along the creature. And then where's our highlight color? Hold up. You guys like the shadow or no? I just hate this shit. Might have to push it up. Hold up. I'm experimenting, guys. Give me a sec. Oh, and I need to answer these questions. Okay, maybe right there. It's good. Question time. Oh, my questions are leaving. Holy shit, guys, that's a lot. Praise the bread. That's not a question. All right, how make YouTube go burr? I will, hold on. Okay, wait. All right, I guess I'll do them one at a time. But there's a lot of questions here, so if it's not a question, I'll have to obviously just skip over it. I hope you guys don't take that as me being rude. I just want to try to keep the stream fun. Okay, so how do you get your channel more booming, I guess? What helped me was what kickstarted my channel to be at least somewhat active as it is in the current state. I just kept, first of all, I had to get my actual content better. When I was doing Shield Shock stuff, I didn't really know what I was doing. I didn't look at any kind of other game dev people. I didn't know that game dev was a thing that people did on YouTube, really. I watched like maybe 1 or 2 guys and that was it. And so I was just making stuff for nothing, really. I was just kind of out there doing nothing. Okay, I like this. We'll break it up like that. So yeah, for me, it was the Son of Fire series that got a little bit of popularity, and then that kind of kickstarted my channel to, that was first of all when my videos overall got better, but also that was when people started actually finding my channel and stuff. The main things that I did, again, this is just my experience, so it might not work for you guys, but what I did was I made it my mission to start talking to people in the community. So I decided, okay, you know what? We're gonna make a cool ass YouTube video where I feature a bunch of other devs and get to know them, and then just, yeah, connect with the community of game devs, because that's when I started looking into like other people's channels, and I found like Jonas Tyroller and Thomas Brush, and just, I don't know, a bunch of people. So I made a list of like 60 or like 50 or 60 devs or something. I guess I gotta be quicker because these questions, there's a lot of questions. But yeah, so yeah, anyway, I made a list of like 60 devs, and like 20-30 of them got back to me, which was way more than I was expecting. I was expecting like 3 people to get back to me and then turn me down. But yeah, you just really have to try and just get to know people and talk to other people, collaborate with other devs, and then eventually something will work. But it was definitely like just trying out a new series. When I did the Son of Fire thing, what I think really caught people's attention, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was the idea that, or it was just like the visuals. I think I started to up my thumbnail game, and as soon as I upped my thumbnail game, there was like a super related ratio between my video's performance and how good my thumbnails were. So honestly, I would say make sure that your game is like really eye-catching. You want to make sure that people are like, when they see that in the recommended, people are actually going to want to click on it, right? So I think that that's what did it for Son of Fire. And then the whole Monster Tower thing, I think it was because I was relating it to a very popular thing, which was Pokemon. Now I'm kind of a little bit stuck in dealing with some issues with that, because now a lot of people are just like relating it to Pokemon. So every time I do something different, they're like, hey, I mean, I like this about Pokemon though. Why are you changing it? And so I have to tell people like, hey, this isn't just me trying to make Pokemon. So you have to kind of pick and choose your battles. But overall, I think people are pleased with it. So, you know, it is what it is. So just focus on a very creative game idea that looks visually appealing. That was a long time. Are you so awesome, says Nova. Thanks, dude. I appreciate that. I don't think I'm any more awesome than any of you guys. So I couldn't tell you. What areas are planned? Oh, this is a cool question. You're talking about for the game? So there's going to be an area for each type. So that's the only thing I'm going to give you. I'm not going to give you specifics. We have little like drawn out actual layouts of what the map's going to look like. But just I always try to give you guys extra information, the people that watch my streams, because I appreciate you guys so much. So what I will say is the entire game is going to take place on an island. And there's going to be different landscapes. And so if you look at all the types, then you'll kind of understand, you know, mystic, fire, nature, water, cyber. Is that it? Air. Yes, air. Let's just say air isn't in the sky, okay? It's not in the sky. But, yeah. Anyway, I can't talk too much on that. Next question. Favorite video games? I don't really play any right now, if I'm being honest. But if I were to pick something, I actually don't play any video games right now. Damn, that's really sad. I played League of Legends for like, I don't know, 6 or 8 years of my life. I don't know. Ever since it came out, I think I started playing like in season 2 or something. And then ever since then, I started playing. This is not finished. I need to fix this up. I don't like this whole thing. There needs to be shadows where the body meets the thing. But yeah, I don't really like this yet. But I'll get to fixing it as time passes. Anyway, next question. But yeah, right now, honestly, I don't know. I don't really play games right now. But I do like indie games. I want to start playing more. Actually, you know what? I started playing Risk of Rain 2 every so often. I try to take my weekends off from doing anything game dev related. So clearly, I'm a liar because it's Saturday and I'm streaming making monsters. But I mean, this is fun work, right? So I don't really count this stuff. So yeah. I've been playing Risk of Rain 2. Yo, guys, if you want to play with me, just let me know. I think it's 4-player multiplayer. Oh, and my friends made me buy Among Us, so I'm going to probably start playing that every so often. How many subs for an OnlyFans? Oh my god. Let's say if I can get to 500,000... If I can get to 500,000 subs by the end of the year, I'll open up an OnlyFans. I know it's very, very optimistic, but... I like to keep my body concealed, you know? But I mean, hey, if I can get 500,000 subs by the end of the year, then I don't know. That's God telling me that maybe I need to skimp out on the clothes a little bit, you know? Anyway, next question. Can you confirm that your name is Reece Geography? No, that's not my name, so I can't confirm that. I have been adding more items to the shop in my video game. That's good, dude. Send in the Discord what your game's looking like right now. I love seeing your games, by the way. Very inspiring. Do you agree that custard creams are the best biscuits? I've never had that in my life. Out of Shadow, yeah. So that's we already did that, and favorite video games, we just did that. So I think I'm caught up now. Cool. Sawbez, what's up? Have I missed anybody? If I missed your name, just let me know. Toasted Gears, what's up? Sipsop Gamer, I'm sorry. 16950. That's definitely my brother, right? I'm pretty sure that's my brother. That's funny. We were just talking about you earlier. If that's you, let me know. Also, make a new YouTube account. This guy has never commented on any one of my videos. He watches every video, but he never comments on them. Bro, it's so rude. Make a new YouTube channel. Okay. Yeah, we were just talking about earlier if it's annoying or how it is working with a sibling. It's very frustrating. You guys don't know. My brother is very annoying. I'm kidding. What are your thoughts on trans people? That's a very random question. It's I literally don't care about like anybody's anything. I think it's their business, you know? If you're talking, like me personally, I would never do it because I like who I am and I'm cool with that, but no, I have no issues with that. Okay. Should we start working on the actual new thing now, or should we continue procrastinating until my data runs out and then I have to stop streaming? Oh, it's my sister. It's definitely my sister. Okay. So it's not my brother. I thought for once my brother was gonna watch my stream, but I guess it's... Unless it is, I don't know. Ken, what's up, dude? I'm skipping Hollow Live Anime Girl for you. Don't give up. What? What are you talking about? Anime? It's both. Oh, it's both. Oh, that's exciting. Okay, cool. You guys are making me self-conscious. I don't know what that is, dude. Hollow Live Anime Girl. Sounds like some kind of like foreign thing. So I don't know. You do you, man. Okay. You're heading out. See you, Nova. Maybe I'll play some Among Us with you at some point. We'll see. Do you want me to make you some tracks for the game? Unfortunately, I'm keeping it to one composer so that all of the music is, you know, the same. But I do really appreciate that. And if anybody is a composer and they want to work with me, I am musically challenged. So I am always down for people that do music. So just send me a DM on Twitter or on my Discord, and we can talk about it, because I'm going to start doing a lot of smaller projects, like smaller games in the meantime. So yeah, I will need other composers for that, because my current composer, Leonard, is kind of swamped with Monster Tower stuff and his own life and his own other projects. So okay, I don't know, I think this is pretty cool. Okay, do we actually make this guy now? I don't know what I was doing here. I was saying that it kind of looks like Spider Riders, the show from a while ago. I used to watch it as a kid. It was literally like, that was my shit, okay? Not actually, because I didn't watch it all the time, but there was something about it that it just connected with me differently. I just thought it was so cool, like the different spiders. You guys don't know what I'm talking about. We talked about it last time on stream. Welcome new people on my Discord. Welcome, guys. Thank you for joining. Yo, we're almost at 300 members. That's cool. And we have enough boosts to... Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Guys, look at this. We have enough boosts, so I created a little spinny animation. Now we're like a real Discord server, right? I think that's the classification. If I click this button, you guys will know exactly who I'm doing the game jam with. So I need to be very careful with what I show on screen, because I think he's the first person in my DM. We just DM'd this morning or something, and so he's right at the top. So if you can somehow hack my computer, then you guys will know who I'm doing the Live and Dare with. I'm very excited about it. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay. Oh yeah, Spider Riders. This is kind of what I had in mind when I started drawing the little gauntlet things. This is definitely what I had in mind. You have a Discord server? Yeah, man. I think it's in probably every one of my videos descriptions. This is so sick. This is so sick. Sickest show. Anyway. Okay, chat. What are we doing with this guy? Can somebody help me? He looks like the guy from Monsters, Inc., the secretary. Look, 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 look. I feel like this is just a repeat stream. Look, look, look. This chick, secretary chick. Slug. Boom. Look at that. Do you not see the resemblance? I see the resemblance. Play Among Us with me. Dude. I've only played once. So I'm not very good. I don't know if you want to play with me. Hold on. I'm sorry. I can't keep up with you guys. I'm sorry. I'm trying. Maybe some LED lights? Some LED lights on this guy? I mean, this is just a silhouette, right? So I don't know what type he's gonna be. I don't know what class he's gonna be. I don't know anything really. I just drew out an outline for a silhouette. And then we can start shading him now that we have that. So I think I want... I honestly, I don't know. I don't know if I can do this. I don't know if I can stream and make a creature at the same time. Very difficult for me. But maybe with if we start with a color scheme or something. Stuff coming off his hands looks like it could be fire. I guess so. It could be fire. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Could be. Let's try. Let's see. Just change his color palette. Let's make him more of like a rock. So wait, hold on. Let's go back. Oh, whoa. Oh. What did I just do? Okay, I do like this color scheme though. Very interesting. And then, let's see what we can do with some fire here. Do we like the idea of this thing being fire, or do we not like that idea? Hold up. I don't know how to art. Sorry, boys and girls. Live again? Yeah, yeah. I just decided, you know what, whatever. I'm just gonna stream again. So once I hit 3 gigabytes of data, hold on, let me see what we're at. Guys, we're at 4.5. We're at 4.5 gigabytes of data. So once we go down to 3 gigabytes, see ya. I'm gone. I'm out of here. So I want to make sure that I have enough data to stream if I want to stream the Ludum Dare. Ludum Dare 47. October 2nd. Maybe that should be my first sponsor. You think Ludum Dare would do sponsors? I don't know. I don't know about this, guys. I guess this makes sense if it doesn't get cut off. That makes a little bit more sense. And so I guess that would, I don't know. This looks off to me now. Obviously the coloring isn't done, but let's just try. Let's just play around. Add in the highlight color. I don't know. I doubt it. Ludum Dare is a non-profit. Yeah, no, it definitely would not sponsor me. No, that was a joke. Imagine. That'd be hilarious. It's funny. Get some fire up in this. Boom. All I do with pixel art is I just say, okay, we can't have everything in, we gotta break up colors. And then people are like, yo, you know how to do pixel art? I'm like, no, I don't. I don't. I just followed some tutorials. And here we are. Shouldn't be on the bottom, though. I don't know how to do this other hand. Wait, what? It's not a bear? What? It's definitely not a bear. Who said that? I think it's a bear? That just makes me feel shitty. I know you didn't mean to hurt my feelings, but you hurt my feelings. Okay, let's start shading this thing, okay? Maybe it needs more at the top? I don't know. Guys, I don't know. Maybe a grass type? Think so? You guys are confusing me. Alright, whatever. Moving on. Moving on. Let's, I think I want to make this actually like a piece on the top of his head, potentially. But then his eyes kind of stuck in there, eh? Pretty weird. Let's see. Could work. And then if we just shade this thing. Who's excited for Ludum Dare 47? I am. I actually don't know what I'm doing here. What the hell is this? I mean, this thing definitely needs to be shaped with the thing going. Okay, hold on. How would this be shaded? Let me actually think about it instead of just doing random crap. Guys, I don't know about this one. We might have to scrap it. We might have to scrap it all. I'm just doing random stuff. I think I'm just gonna keep this and wait, hold up. I don't know. It's like fire golem, like, yeah, it's kind of like a fire golem, I guess. But I'll have to do a lot of fixing. I'm definitely not gonna finish this on stream because I physically cannot do work while people are watching me. So we might have to swap over to fusions again. You sketch the monsters before doing them, or you start making them in the pixel art? Most of the time, like if you guys watched last stream, we literally made this guy on the last stream by me just taking a this is what I did. You get it. You get your base color. Bring up the pixel size a little bit, and you start just drawing stuff, and then you make a monster out of it. You make a silhouette. And then once you have a silhouette, so like I see this as a head. This, I don't know what the hell this is. Maybe we can bring the thing down and have this as like a thing, you know? And then bring it back up. And sometimes you might not get anything. Like this probably won't be anything. But most of the time you can make something out of it. So I can see something out of this. So if we just bring this arm up, I see this as an arm. So let's bring it up. Actually, for now, we're just gonna get rid of it altogether. I don't know what this is. This is gonna be, maybe he's crossing his arms, right? Maybe his arms are in here and they're crossed. That's the vibe I'm getting from this. Ah. And then this is like a little spirit thing going on here, right? So, boom, we just made a new monster. And then from there, I will take this and create some kind of monster design based on what we have here. So, yeah. It's just a lot of playing around. Sometimes you get nothing. Sometimes you get lucky. And sometimes you end up halfway through and then you see that it's not good. Like this. What the hell is this? And then you have to spend another 45 minutes actually making it. Because this is ass. So yeah, I will definitely make this into something. But this is going way off track of what I had in mind originally. So I'm going to scrap this and restart. Anyway, I do like this concept though. He's like a wise, guys, I can see it in my brain right now. It's just like, maybe this is a little like thunder spike coming out. It's kind of like a spike in the shape of a thunder, or like lightning bolt. And then he's crossing his arms and he's got that, like the long draped, what do you call it? The cloth, like long draped cloth coming down. And then here you got kind of like a tornado-y spirit body part thing. I guess kind of like, what do you call that thing? What's that thing? What's that Pokemon thing? Thunderous or something? Is that what that is? Yeah, this thing. Kind of like this. Not exactly, but kind of. So that way you guys can get a somewhat of a representation of what I'm thinking. Sort of. Anyway, so that's how most of the monsters are created. Does that make them more special or less special? I guess that's up to you guys. But yeah, that's how it's usually done. Wow, that's cool. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I guess you just, the one thing that I think I'm very thankful for is just being able to see forms and see 3D objects out of silhouettes. I guess that's the one thing that I'm starting to kind of understand about pixel art, and I guess like art in general. But for the most part, yeah, it's just a lot of guess and check and trial and error. So I'll try to make monsters out of these two things at some point, but what the hell is this? Who let me do this? Let's just return it back to its original state. Oh. Who lets me make video games? Okay, guys. Yo, what's your favorite show right now? My favorite show. I saw that a while ago. I think I forgot to answer it. But my favorite show in all of the world is Modern Family. I just finished that show a little while ago. So good. It was so freaking good. literally the best show in my life. What shows have you guys been watching? I'm just trying to return it back to its original state. I don't think that was it. But whatever. Anyway, I'll get back to fixing this thing another day. Wow, we got no progress done today. But that's not really the point of these streams. The point of these streams are just to let me talk to you guys. I see a triceratops in the silhouette. That's very unique. I did not see that at all. I'm getting Duskull vibes from the Spirit one. Yeah, me too. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking too. You like 2.5 Men and Everybody Hates Chris. I watched like maybe one episode of that show, Everybody Hates Chris. I watched a couple episodes when I was younger, but I had pretty sheltered parents. I wasn't allowed to watch anything. I wasn't allowed to watch Simpsons or Family Guy or any of those shows for a very long time. Even I wasn't allowed to watch SpongeBob for like until I was like 10 or like probably older than that. I still did occasionally. My friends, everybody watches SpongeBob, so eventually I started watching it with my friends and stuff, and I thought it was okay, but honestly I've never been a huge SpongeBob fan. Don't delete my channel, please. Like fine, it's fine. Okay. Why are there so many versions of the spider guy? There's only 3. There's only 3 versions. The same amount as this guy. There's 1, 2, 3 of this guy. And there's 1, 2, 3 of this guy. Pretty different, I'd say. Guys, I don't think I can make any more. Okay, fine. I'll make one more of some random. I'll just pick a random guy and then make just like a color palette swap. I have no brain power right now. It's the weekend. I'm not supposed to be doing any kind of game dev related stuff on the weekends. So yeah. Are you making fun of me? Saying that SpongeBob is pretty mature? It was a weird time, okay? We already made 2 more of those, so we can't do that guy. We could do this guy, but he already has a couple fusions. You know what? He's very easy to just do a nice color swap. Let's do a nice. Purple is my favorite color, but my second favorite color is blue. So let's real quick just do one of these. You guys ready for it? Only people with really high intellect would understand what I'm trying to do right now. Boom. Done. No, we're not done. Rhino for the golem guy? Wait, hold on. What do you mean? Maybe all the monsters can have more than one color and the player can choose. So what we're doing, in I guess kind of that's what we're doing, but what we're doing is instead of things like shiny Pokemon or like Pokemon evolutions and stuff like that, because again, I always like to relate it to Pokemon because I think everybody knows what that is. So best way to explain a monster catcher game. But yeah, we're doing fusions instead of that. And so for fusions, What do fusions do? They're a thing. Ew, that is absolutely ugly. Guys, what do fusions do? You can customize your monsters to like change their type, and they like fuse with items and stuff. You have to do tasks, and then you can unlock that fusion. And then yeah, that's kind of how that works. Yeah, basically what Was is saying. Was? Is your name Ross? Was? I don't know. I'm not trying to make fun of you. Artindi! Dude! It's been a long time. It's been a long time. How have you been, dude? I haven't talked to you in a long time. I only said that like eight times. We could do something like this. A more muted green. Go the other way, see what happens. It's kind of like an army green. No. Nah. I think it's too bright. I like this better. I actually like this. So what are just a few subtle little changes that we can make to this? First of all, what if we get rid of his eye? Let's just see. I do kind of like that. Okay, hold up. I don't know. I think that's kind of interesting. Been good, busy as usual. That's good to hear, man. I hope that you and your family are doing great. I've never met your family, but I feel like one day. What was I gonna say? Actually, you know what? Never mind. I don't like talking about people's personal lives, so I'm just not gonna do that. I need to get better at not talking about other people's business. Anyway, Artindi, I hope you're doing well. I missed you, man. You're my Ace Bright Pixel Art other person. Actually, I feel like a lot of other people do pixel art. Anyway. Would there be evolved forms like Pokemon? No, we were just explaining this. So how it works is you have different like fusions. So you can fuse your monsters to have them become slightly different versions. It's just a way for us to do a different way of doing like the traditional evolution path and all that kind of stuff. So you'll have different variants on the monsters. But yeah, just because I think that I'm better at just making completely unique new designs rather than like exploring different stages of the same monster. Like if I were to draw this thing, it's like half the size as like a baby, it'd probably look like ass. So was it a game design decision or was it me not being able to do the art decision? Guess you guys will never know. Are you planning on doing a character customization? I actually am thinking about it. I think that might be one of like the first mini stretch goals when we do our Kickstarter in 2021, early 2021. This stream is sponsored by Monster Tower Kickstarter. Yeah, so that'll probably be like one of the first mini little things. What do you call it? Stretch goals is just like adding in the functionality of being able to customize your character. It won't be super crazy. It'll just be like changing like your hairstyle or like just little subtle things. I don't know. We'll see. Just changing your poncho or whatever. But yeah, So that'd be cool, I think. 4 years is a long time to code. I have only done it for 9 months. Yeah, I don't know. I think I don't know. I definitely it gets draining. It definitely gets very draining. 100%. But actually, I'm just gonna keep all of these. I'm gonna save over them just to make sure that I have them. Oh, whoops! I just deleted the other guy. I deleted the main form. That's okay. Actually, is that okay? Do I have that saved anywhere else? I hope so. God damn it. Guys, I'll definitely get it back somehow, but I think I just deleted the guy. Can this game be wishlisted on Steam? Not yet. So I'm gonna be working with an artist soon to get playing with my hearing. Sorry guys. I'm working with an artist probably within the next month to work on a finished splash art for the game, and then that will be like probably like the new thumbnail layout and stuff. We'll have actual professional art for the game and stuff. So hopefully the thumbnails will look a little bit more enticing. And yeah, so once I get that done, then I'll start setting up a Steam page for it, and then you guys can wishlist it. But for now, you just gotta subscribe to the channel, and I think that's pretty much all you can do for following on the game. I don't really post much on Twitter. I think I want to start straying even more away from Twitter. I know it's nice meeting other like developers and stuff and talking to people on there and being a part of that community. I know my friend Matt Bull, he likes it a lot. He likes being on Twitter a lot. But I don't know, me personally, I think it's just something that it's like every time I open up my phone, I feel obligated to like check it. And so I'm trying to limit my social media usage. And so I don't know, we'll see. I might just delete my Twitter. We'll see. I'm sorry for anybody who follows me on Twitter, but I don't know. I think that YouTube's probably my main way of talking to people anyway. So, and Discord obviously. You're one of my favorite YouTube. Oh, I'm so happy I saw that. Thank you so much. I love that. That makes me feel really warm inside. Thank you. I appreciate that. Who said that? Bleachy. I don't know how to say your name, dude. I'm sorry. But yes, I do appreciate that, yeah. Another question here. What's the program I use? Thanks, Daniel. I appreciate that message. What program do I use? I use Aseprite, and I don't know. It's very, very straightforward. I think the only thing is you gotta figure out how to use the hotkeys, which is very simple. It's just a couple to figure out. Oh my god, guys, we are draining the data. Might have to end the stream soon. Next like 20 minutes. Can we do anything else to this guy? Maybe we can. No. Let's make it curve. I don't know. But yeah, I use Aseprite, but honestly, use anything. Like if you're looking, if you need a free program, literally just download Game Maker Studios 2, just like the trial version or whatever, and pixel art on there. I pixel arted on using the Game Maker built-in engine for like up until this year. So I only just started using Aseprite because there's a couple features that I think are a little bit better, and also I paid for it, so I felt like I was kind of obligated to use it. And I feel like most people that do pixel art use it, so I was like, you know what, whatever, I'll start using it. I don't know if I like this though. Maybe if I actually keep it. I don't really know. We'll see if I'm keeping this or not. Just trying to do something with it, you know? No, I don't like that either. I guess it can just point off here. But yeah, that makes me happy. You're inspired to make monsters of your own. I appreciate that. And also in our Discord server, you guys can submit monster fan art in there. And I look at all of those. And yeah, I really appreciate that you guys actually take time out of your schedules to make monsters. It's really cool. Very, 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 very cool. Guys, this just looks like... What is this? A mouth guard? I don't even know what this is. Okay, let's get rid of it. Might do some kind of change at some point. That's not going to be today. I could do something different. You know what I might do? Okay, we're gonna get rid of these wings, or not get rid of them, but I think, maybe I could get rid of them altogether and make little spikes instead. Oh, whoa! I just deleted his head. Whoops. Dario, what's up, man? I think you're just jumping on now. Ron, hey, man. Opinions on collaborating with people. I think it's amazing, and that is how I got familiar with the community, and that's how I'm now hosting the Developer Lounge, is just by talking to people. I love the Dev Lounge. I think that was like the best thing that I've done, or like the thing that made me happiest, I guess, is just getting people connected on there and stuff. It's really, really cool. I love it. Yeah, connect with people, talk to people, and you're gonna get a lot of rejections, so get used to that. Anyway, so let's... I don't know what to do here, but hold on. I see some messages here. I used Pixel for a while. Yeah, you can use Pixel. Like, a lot of them have the same features. The only problem, I think it's Pixel, but I think it's just very limited on what you can do with it. I think as long as you have the ability to make lines and squares and circles, and you have a fill tool, and you have a draw tool, and you can customize any color that you want, changing the value, the saturation, and the hue. I don't know. I think that's good, and you can select stuff. That's pretty good. If you have a contiguous option, then that's also very, very helpful. So like doing contiguous is that you can change the entire color everywhere. But there's just, again, a few extra things about Sprite that I really like the ability to outline. So if you just press Shift O, you can outline everything in your thing. And obviously a Control Z and Control Y or for undo, redo is also very helpful. I'm gonna try to give this thing some spikes, but hold on, I see a message here. AF, what's AF? Joshua, hold on, let me finish reading your thing and then we'll see. Okay, so Joshua says, hey bro, I'm in the process of joining the AF right now. I'm not too sure what that is, but I just want to say that you have inspired me to actually finish my game. Don't know what it is, but your content is very inspiring. I appreciate the hell out of that, man. I really, really do. Where can I join the Discord? In the description of all of my videos. Just click on one and then go into the description. It's like, I think it's usually like the second thing. Oh, the Air Force. The Air Force. Okay, yes. Hold on. Joshua, I appreciate your big message. I'm not trying to ignore it. But the stream's also delayed a little bit, so keep up the work, man. I don't know why I'm reading shit out loud. Sorry, guys. Thank you, man. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. Yeah, you found it? Okay, cool. Yeah, the Air Force. That's cool, man. I hope it goes well. Again, guys, if you want, just DM me. I try to get back to everybody that I physically can. But, yeah, just DM me. And things are very busy right now, but I do try to keep in touch with everybody. And, yeah, so just let me know what's going on. Air Force, yeah, I was gonna join the military. Was it last year? I think it was last year. And I literally, guys, I mean, I'm so happy that I didn't get in, because again, I feel like everything kind of happens for a reason. And my life would have been very, very different than it is now. I probably wouldn't even be on YouTube at all. So yeah, very fortunate that they didn't. But literally, I went for my test. I don't think I have any issues with like, anyway, so I went to take my test, and I would say that I'm pretty physically capable of doing the test and whatever. And the guy's like, okay, I just got to check your blood pressure. So if your blood pressure is good, then we can start the test. I'm like, okay. And then yeah, they had to make me leave, because apparently my blood pressure was like super high, and I was like, they were saying that I needed to go to a hospital to check it out, because it was unsafe for me to be physically active. I was like, bro, I literally just did like 200 push-ups before I got here, so, and I didn't have a heart attack, so I don't know what you're on about. But yeah, so they refused me to take the test. So again, I'm glad, because I'm here now, and I'd rather be doing this if I'm being perfectly honest. But yeah, I literally tried and they said no. So good luck with that, man. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Oh, I think stream's dying again. Or maybe it's just like, oh, my phone's dying. So yeah, guys, I'm God damn it. Hold on, I'll be back. It's gonna do the same thing as yesterday in a second. But my phone just died, and I'm streaming with off of my phone's data, so that's a no-no. When the game is done, where will it be? So it will definitely be on Steam, 100%. And hold on, let me turn on my phone again. Definitely be on Steam. So it'll be on Steam. It'll also be on... we're going to have little stretch goals. Maybe I should wait. I'm going to wait to say any of this, because I don't know if the stream's happening or not. Hold on, one sec. Okay, is the stream back? If it's not, okay, I think it's good now. Probably not. I'm not too sure what's going on. I think we're just gonna end the stream here. Sorry, guys, but I appreciate everybody that came out. The game will be on Steam for whoever was asking. We're gonna try to do console and mobile ports as well, but that'll just have to happen with time. And